cambridgecommunity.org/bbq for tickets and more information. Cambridge Community Television will hold its annual barbecue fundraiser on Wednesday, September 25 at 5:30 p.m. at CCTV's new facility at 438 Massachusetts Avenue. All proceeds raised will support CCTV's youth media program. The event will feature food from dozens of local restaurants, live Afrobeat music from Zili Music, a silent auction, and the presentation of the Leading Role Award to CCTV's founding board. Robin Young, co-host of Here and Now on WBUR, and Dan Kennedy, media critic and journalism professor at Northeastern University, will both be inducted onto CCTV's honorary board. Visit cctvcambridge.org/bbq for tickets and more information.
Do you have unused or expired medications, prescription drugs, or needles in your home? These items can be difficult to dispose of safely, and that is why the Cambridge Police Department offers free, anonymous 24-hour disposal for Cambridge residents.
Díhuí bhthirtas Mr. Kit agus fáilte rís céangal Calteach an seo CCTV. Agus lemráid leis an scéal Harry Potter agus an orcach nó Harry Potter a main or athróniv agus cacha mé a rudí spéisialta me sé sigornál níis agus cá rabmuid. An cuivan liv cá rabmuid. Sí, fan go bheice mé cén áit. Okay. An seo ó bheith ar na ndaoine ba bhóganí agus sa scóil bhí héireanais ar an taobh is mó a ra grán air. Chuntí Ravenclaw agus Hufflepuff féin ina aghaidh mar bhí gach duine ag go mór le Slytherin cóin na duithe a chalú. Gach áit dá deach Harry bhíoh daoine ag díriú méar air, gan baca lena ngu a ísliú agus iad a cachabh máslí leis. Ar an tíbhile den scéal, thugú Slytherin bula bás dó agus é ag dul thar bráid, iad ag glú agus ag fadíal maithú a Potter rinne tú an ghar dúin. Fa 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 no man. Chawamid scale imre. Captain Gurwood and Shaw. Na widiad pethai Harry dros nos. And playbode or bubble vuaf poblogaidd an a guy ed nugin vawr bechach roid in Kyle a gasai and vui na neb in er iskol. Roid or uf de pufur are cravang van woer heed and ode and tro arno. O hurwyd roedd pawb wedi bod yn dehau am weld Slavenog and Cachliar Cwpan. Tafai pobl sen arna ble binig al heb drafferthi I ostung I chlesiau. Roedd y Slavenogwr a chlaw arach yn cwro dwlo fel I hebio, gan chwbani a chymraduyo. Diolch Pader, mae arnyn ni ddilydd iti. From being one of the most popular and admired people at the school, Harry was suddenly the most hated. Even Ravenclaws and Hufflepuffs turned on him because everyone had been longing to see Slytherin lose the House Cup. Everywhere Harry went, people pointed and didn't trouble to lower their voices as they insulted him. Slytherins, on the other hand, clapped as he walked past them, whistling and cheering, "Thanks, Potter, we owe you one." Nira agran a has lesh. Jenna gachtin a germa de sha. Tivishte de hupla shakten. Tan tufas pointy calta ag Fred agus George o hanig shiad and sha agus fek will gan orhu agoni. Near heel shiad cade gale pointe dain iri awan gawam orum ersa Harry Gutruakanta. While near Heil ersa Ron. The and docher denta ach yell Harry do hain na gurcha she a ladder gedurist nochi nach mana lesh. Vi dera ege legani siacht agus lespariacht. Vi erid shan los ege hain Gnechi sé a ad le wood agus dúirt leis go mbeadh sé sásta airí as an bhforann cuideach. Ron oidher inig I cefnogi. Anghovian hu hin I gyd newn ichedig nosai. My Fred a George wedi cachli tomenydd o farciau ers pan maen hu yma, ac mae pobl yn dal yn hoff on hu. Didn't hu eriad wedi cachli caint o hanner o farciau unwaith, nac ydyn, meddai Harry yn ddigon. Well, na though. Cavad fod Ron. Eri bod he bride in hwyr, I gair bwch bechach, addawodd Harry iddo I hun na fyddain ymwyrydd mewn pethau nad oedd yn unelo fo ddim an hw o hyn ymlaen. Roedd o wedi cael digon o slefio o gwmpas yn llethraidd yn ysbio. Aeth at bedwar a chynig this widow or team cuideach gan I bhód in timlo cumaint ó gohfuilid ó chonaí chin. Only Ron stood by him. They'll all forget this in a few weeks. Fred and George have lost loads of points in all the time they've been here, and people still like them. They've never lost 150 points in one go, though, have they? Said Harry miserably. Well, no, Ron admitted. It was a bit late to repair the damage, but Harry swore to himself not to meddle in things that weren't his business from now on. He'd had it with sneaking around and spying. He felt so ashamed of himself that he went to Wood and offered to resign from the Quidditch team. Airí as sa Wood de Woord. Ken why sin. Conas faoin spare a Jofus muid na pointy sin arás mór muam muid and Quidditch. Ag bhíonn lunar imethe as an Quidditch hain. Ní Lauro an chuid eile den uan le Harry agus na clachtaí ag na clachtaí agus dá méic orchu Lord faoi ní chorfadís danam ach an Tóri. Bhí Hermione agus Neville cráte ho má. Ní ra am ho dana acu agus a bhí ag Harry, mar nach ran aird sin ana orchu, ach ní Lauro dinar bith losan ach hóbeag. Lig Hermione as bheith ag tarraingt ard urchaí hain sa rang, ach í crum ar chuid ibre ar fad agus gan focail astú. Im this video, Taranov Bedwur, pa les knife honey. Shut county inhru varkain all ost not in nihun ni Quidditch. On doith hid in oath Quidditch them in va. Doith them hul o gabul. Gwrthodai, Gwedith, a team, Sharad, a Harry, and Ustad, and Marver, ac as oid rhaid iddyn hu son amdano, I hwylwyr, fydden hu I alw. Roedd Hermione yn nefyd in dioddef hefyd. Doedden hu ddim yn cael amser mor galed a Harry, o harwydd doedden hu ddim mor adnabyddus, ond doedd neb yn siarad a hwyddau. Chwaith, roedd Hermione wedi rhoi gorau I ddynau sylw ati I hun mewn dosbarthiadau. Cadw I chorn ar ymlaen a gweithio yn ddistaw. Resign, Wood thundered. What good will that do? How are we going to get any points back if we can't win at Quidditch? But even Quidditch had lost its fun. The rest of the team wouldn't speak to Harry during practice, and if they had to speak about him, they called him the Seeker. Hermione and Neville were suffering too. They didn't have as bad a time as Harry because they weren't as well known, but nobody would speak to them either. Hermione had stopped drawing attention to herself in class, keeping her head down and working in silence. Ba bheag nach ra achas Harry go run na scrúdathe ho gar sin dóibh, ba mhór an chóir an taithreithniú go léir a bhí le déanamh ag lena intin a chogáil dá chas. Chuinní sé hain agus Ron agus Hermione thucail hain ag obair lo go mbeadh sé máil san oíche ag iarraidh chuimhnimh ar cho ábhar posáidaí casta, a chur orchaí agus bruchtaí de glan bhar ag meabhrú dátaí mór inachtána dríochta agus cé na blianta a chuaigh na gruagaí chun Ceanarcha. Bronad oed Harry Valk Vod ir a chrolidai in agosai. Cadwair hoch a dolgi I vedel oddi ar I the galanoid non did. Budai Ron Hermione ac intain aros gide I gilid erwahan I balb. Gan wethion hur ir nos. In casio covior kun husion mewn drachdiai cum chlech in dusky sunion a cough in casio dusky diviade dargan viviade chredrithiol a gurth vrithvethelolid cablinov. Harry was almost glad that the exams weren't far away. All the studying he had to do kept his mind off his misery. He, Ron, and Hermione kept to themselves, working late into the night, trying to remember the ingredients in complicated potions, learn charms and spells by heart, memorize the dates of magical discoveries and goblin rebellions. Ach tuair me seachtain sula rá na scrúdtha le tasu gan aon chuine aige leis, féachadh go crua an gealtanas a thug Harry gan a láidir a chur I ngnochaí nach mana leis. A bhealach arás ón leabharlann ina aonair a bhí sé tróna amháin nuair thula sé mar a bheith fuorchuoinú ag teacht ó chumranga gite ar ai we. Agus ag ddridim níos gura dó thula sé go cuireáil. Ná déan a ríist I neall ar a saoil, a thosail go raibh duine éigin ag bagairt air, rid Harry níos congraí. Má go leor sa cuireáil de chnéad. Yna, chrú wythnos cyn ar holiadau ddechrau, chroddwyd prawf anisgwyl ar a benderfyniad Harry o bedio ag imwryd a dim nad oedd a wnelo fo ag o. Wrth gwrdydd yn ôl o'r llyfrgell ar I ben I hun yn pnawn, clywed sŵn gryfan yn dod o ystafell ddosbarth o'i flaen. Wrth iddo agosau, clywed lais cwiral. Na, ddim eto, please. Swnau fel petai chwn in ei fwgwth. Symudodd Harry hynnes. Iawn, clywed cwiral in ochneidio. Then, about a week before the exams were due to start, Harry's new resolution not to interfere in anything that didn't concern him was put to an unexpected test. Walking back from the library on his own one afternoon, he heard somebody whimpering from a classroom up ahead. As he drew closer, he heard Quirrell's voice. No, not again, please. It sounded as though someone was threatening him. Harry moved closer. All right, he heard Quirrell sob. An héadúil eile tháinig Quirrell de scuairt amach as an seomáranga agus ag díriú a thuirbean. Bhí sé bán san aghaidh agus mar a bheadh sé tí brisiú amach a gcáil. Stroc sé leis as rarc. Níor shiels Harry gur chug Quirrell faoi deara fiú amháin. Don sé gur imi cuscéim cuireó as, an sin dearc sé isteach sa seomáranga, bhí sé folamh agus bhí doras faoin oscailte a gceann eile an tomra. Bhí Harry leath bailí go dtí an doras sin nuair a chuimhní sé ar gnealltanas a thug sé gan bacú le rudaí nach mana leis. Eliad nesaf daith cuireó achlan or stavach dhosbarth bhrís, gan gesio chrí trefin I dúbaran. Edrychin welw ach fel patai fin crio. Brasgamodd golwg. Doedd Harry ddim in meddwl I fod wedi sŵi arno hyd yn oed. Achrosodd nes bod sŵn traed cuireó wedi diflannu. Ina eith is specian yn mewn i'r ystafell. Roedd yn wag, ond in y pen pechaf roedd drws cylagored. Roedd Harry hanner y ffordd ato, cyn iddo gofio I addewid iddo hi hun I bedio immurid. Next second, Quirrell came hurrying out of the classroom, straightening his turban. He was pale and looked as though he was about to cry. He strode out of sight. Harry didn't think Quirrell had even noticed him. He waited until Quirrell's footsteps had disappeared and then peered into the classroom. It was empty, but a door stood ajar on the other end. Harry was halfway towards it before he remembered what he promised himself about not meddling. Martian hain cuireadh sé dozen orchloch de dheall go raibh Snape tar éis a bheith sa seomra, agus ón méid a bhí clointe ag Harry, bheith coscéim níos éadroime le Snape feasta. Bhí an chuma air gur dhéal Quirrell faoi dhearg. Ón eto bidai wedi betio ddaidheg main athronydd fod Snape newydd adael yr ystafell. Och o'r hyn roedd Harry newydd I glywed. Byddai Snape yn cerdded ysbonc newydd yn ei gerddediad. Edrychai fel Petty Quirrell wedi ildio o'r diwedd. All the same, he'd to have gambled 12 Sorcerer's Stones that Snape had just left the room, and from what Harry had just heard, Snape would be walking with a new spring in his step. Quirrell seemed to have given in at last. Agus a hard to nil moran an faciagan, so cachmwyd reiti lahai dul awala is docha. Major piece of gog nismo. Dil Harry Aaron Lowerland, ach atara Hermione Kirkeshna raelt oliacta Ron. Dinis Harry dove and made a hula shay. Like Harry and all Clivergeth, Clay roid Hermione in provi Ron astroleg. Duedodd wrthyn nhw beth roedd o wedi I glywed. Harry went back to the library where Hermione was testing Ron on astronomy. Harry told them what he'd heard. Tá Snape mar sin sa Ron, má tá Quirrell tar éis a rá leis conas a dhéis in éidean na bhórsaí dua a bhrisú. Tá fluffy an a gcónaí sa Hermione. Mae Snape wedi llwyddo fechu meddai Ron os iddi quirl, weddy dwade, or through shut adore, e soon gorth, gal vivid thee. On my fliffun and dal uno, medai Hermione. Snape's done it then, said Ron. If Quirrell's told him how to break his anti-dark for a spell. They're still fluffy though, said Hermione. Agus inis a harja nil ein an faki agam. So kachame dul awala. Agus ta sul agam gameshiv a chinkant oram I gan shaktana. Agus ta sul gameshiv an a grachtan oram. Agus beime an I gan shaktana a kunade. Marshin slan inish slan gofoil.
Et uzarge mazon bahed mamweza wase verbepet et uzarge mazon bahed mamweza wase verbepet mamweza wase verbepet ketendes nagon penket haldam zizvanya verbet ketendes nagon penket haldam zizvanya verbet et haldam zizvanya padesen in pepkanon et haldam zizvanya padesen in pepka padesen in pepka redin onan naver kan ak humult onan remwel redin onan naver kan ak